Easy now, watch the clearance on the left.
Almost there.
Pressure levels are stable, proceed.
Pressure looks good, start the ascent.
Roger, lifting slowly, clear left side.
Clear.
Ensure the torque settings match the specs exactly before engaging the hydraulics.
Verified. The data stream is green across all parameters.
Align the center section by 2 millimeters.
Confirmed. Moving slowly.
Locking clamps engaged.
How are the tolerances looking on the starboard side?
All parameters are nominal. We are cleared for the next phase.
Make sure this harness clears the rib. Okay, I've got it. Hand me another tie wrap.
The pressure test on section 4 looks stable.
Confirmed. No microfractures detected on the weld.
Checklist complete for the starboard seat.
Confirmed. All green on the torque values.
All right, bring her down 50 millimeters.
Steady at 50, clear on the mounts.
Roger that. Ground, tug 1 requesting clearance to cross active 25 right with the chopper.